And Nick, as we mentioned, it was a beautiful start to the day out there. And yesterday, I thought it was going to rain all day long, but it never did.
When we're talking about upper 80s and relatively low humidity for the middle of July, that's about as good as it gets. I know some folks are wishing it was cooled down just a bit, but unfortunately, things are actually going to heat back up towards the second half of the week. Live view this morning from the Sparta Airport, looking back into the northern sky, and we've got some sunlight starting to show up there on the horizon. Sunrise coming this morning a little after 5:30, so not a bad start to the day. Fairly cool outside for this time of year. We've got quite a few temperatures back into the mid to upper 60s right now. So again, a really nice day here on tap for the beginning of the week. Sunny skies through the day. Some fair weather clouds possible by this afternoon. Still, again, for this time of year, we're talking dew points only in the lower 60s. That's about as good as it's going to get. Even by Tuesday afternoon, temperatures are going to jump back into the lower 90s, and the humidity is going to be on the climb as winds will turn back out of the south on Tuesday afternoon. And the end of the week, yeah, there's some storm chances out there, and you may be hoping you get caught in some of those storms because the heat and the humidity is going to be cranking up for the second half of the week. Waking up this morning, though, temperatures back into the lower 60s. Places like Mount Vernon down to 63 degrees. Marion's currently at 66, while we've got 65 in Fredericktown, Missouri. Cape Girardeau currently at 67. Princeton, Kentucky at 67 as well. In Murray, Kentucky at 68 degrees. All is quiet across the region. You saw that view there out of Sparta looking back into the northern sky. Hardly a cloud in the sky. In fact, we've just got some patchy fog and mainly confined to some of the rural areas. Otherwise, a very quiet start to the day. Big Doma high pressure back up into the Great Lakes has been one of the dominating weather features here for the last couple of days. We've got a northeast wind around. We actually had a cold front move through on Saturday evening, first thing on Sunday morning. So winds actually turning out of the north and east, and that is pumping in some slightly drier air. It's going to keep the humidity at bay at least for one day or so. Big storm complex this morning through southern Kansas and back into Oklahoma, but that is making its way to our south and will stay tied to that stationary front out across parts of the Red River Valley and eventually into the deep south. Otherwise, all is quiet by this afternoon. Again, mostly sunny skies, just a few fair weather clouds in the forecast. Then looking ahead to Tuesday, now high pressure is going to start to shift a hair further to the east. So winds are going to turn more out of the south and southeast by Tuesday afternoon. That is going to bring a return to some of the more humid air, and temperatures are also going to take a little bit of a bump upwards. Now a cold front will be moving across the plains, and that cold front will be the focus for some showers and storms likely in our forecast for the middle of the week. Today, though, temperatures into the upper 80s across much of the region. Could see some temperatures close to 90, say in places like Union City, Tennessee. Otherwise, 87 degrees on average. Sunny skies this afternoon, light winds out of the north. For this time of year, that is hard to beat. This afternoon and this evening, mostly clear skies by midnight. Temperature dropping back to about 70 degrees, but the dew point, it's going to be on the climb by the middle of the week. Dew points climbing back into the middle 70s. That is some very humid air and will help to fuel some of those shower and storm chances. And where's the heat right now? Well, it is tied to the deep south and places like Texas and Oklahoma and back even into the desert southwest. Guys, when you know that Texas, West Texas, is under an excessive heat warning, you know it's going to be hot in some of those areas. And the same thing out to the west, Las Vegas actually under an excessive heat warning. So eventually some of that heat is going to push this way. That arrives towards the second half of the week. 87 degrees today, 92 for a high temperature on Tuesday. Pretty good chance we're going to see some scattered showers and storms throughout the afternoon and evening hours on Wednesday. That's a cold front dropping into the region. Not expecting that cold front to move entirely through the area, but as it stalls, we're going to leave the storm chance in the forecast for Thursday and Friday. And look at the end of this forecast, guys. Saturday, a high temperature about 95. Sunday, high temperature of 96. So quite the change from yesterday afternoon looking ahead to the upcoming weekend.